Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Ranjan from IIT Roorkee, PhD. In today's class, we will discuss about the conversion of epsilon NFA to NFA. We have already discussion about the construction of epsilon NFA, NFA. Okay. Now in the today's class, mainly we will focus on how to convert from epsilon NFA to NFA. Okay. This is my first question. Construct the equal DNFA, construct the equivalent DNFA or equal NFA non-deterministic finite automata for the given epsilon NFA. Okay, so this is my actually given epsilon NFA. This is my given epsilon NFA. Now we'll convert this epsilon NFA to convert this epsilon NFA to NFA. So see here how to construct the NFA if equivalent epsilon NFA is given. Okay, see here. Okay, the first step here in my epsilon NFA, here there are three states. Epsilon NFA, there are three states, means Q0, Q1, Q2. Just simply copy these three states for NFA. Let this is my NFA. Okay, just simply copy. This is Q0, this is Q1, this is Q2. This is Q2. So Q0 in NFA, sorry, in epsilon NFA, Q0 is the initial state. Just make it as initial state. So now first check the how many number of states will be there. Always remember in epsilon NFA and NFA, all states are equal. Always states are equal. Always states are equal. States are equal in epsilon NFA and NFA and NFA. Okay, always states are equal in case of epsilon NFA and NFA. Okay, now in the second step, we'll just make the final states. So which one will be the final state? Now we have to check in case of NFA. What is the rule? What is the rule for final state? Final state in case of NFA. Okay, if any state like Q0, if any state can reach to the final state, only using epsilon, so that will be the final state in case of NFA. See here, if any state can reach to the final state, if Q0, now we have to check if Q0 is the final state in NFA. Now we have to check. Yes, see here, Q0 will reach to Q2. Q0 will reach to Q2 with the help of epsilon. S. Q0 read epsilon goes to Q1. Q1 read epsilon goes to Q2. So Q0 is my final state. Means here Q0 read epsilon goes to Q1. Q1 read epsilon goes to Q2. But Q2 is my final state. So Q0 will be the final state. Okay, now we have to check. Q1 can reach to the final state with the help of epsilon. Means here Q1 reach to the final state with the help of means Q2 with the help of epsilon. So Q1 is my final state. Okay. The next step, simply copy the transitions of epsilon NFA except epsilon transition. Simply copy the transitions of epsilon NFA except epsilon to NFA. That means just simply copy. That is the 0 transition, that is the 1 transition, that is 2 transition. Here these are transitions are like epsilon. So don't copy epsilon transitions. Don't copy epsilon transition. Then check. Then in the next step, then check, is there any other transitions? Is there any other transitions exist? Now we have to check. Say here Q0 to Q1. Now we have to check from Q0 to Q1. Is there any transitions here? From Q0 to Q1. From Q0 to Q1. Here this is Q0 read 0 and epsilon. 0 into epsilon equal to 0. So Q0 read 0 goes to Q0 and Q0 read epsilon goes to Q1. Means 0 into epsilon equal to 0. 0 into epsilon. So 0 is a transition from Q0 to Q1. Okay. Now we will check, is there any other transitions are there or not, exist or not. So from Q0 to Q1, here this is epsilon and this is 1. Epsilon into 1 equal to 1. So 1 is also a transition from Q0 to Q1. So here there is no other transitions. There is no other transitions from Q0 to Q1. Now we have to check from Q1 to Q2. Q1 to Q2, we have to check from Q1 to Q2. This is 1 and then epsilon, means 1 into epsilon, that is from a transition from a Q1 to Q2. 1 into epsilon equal to 1. So this is one transition. Okay, the next transition is epsilon. Next transition is epsilon into 2. Epsilon into 2, that is the 2 transition. So 2 is also a transition from Q1 to Q2. So check, is there any other transitions? No, there is no other transitions from Q1 to Q2. Okay. Now we have to check from Q, is there any transition from Q0 to Q2? We have to check. See here, Q0 to Q2. Q0 to Q2. Okay, see here, that is 0, then epsilon, then epsilon. Means 0 into epsilon means 0. Epsilon is nothing but it is called 1. Epsilon is nothing but it is simply 1. Okay. So that is a 0 is a transition. Now check, any other transitions are there. This is epsilon, this is 1, then epsilon. Means epsilon, then 1, then epsilon. So this is 1. This is 1. Then epsilon, then 2. Then epsilon into 2. So this is 2 transition. This is the 2 transition. Okay. There is no more transitions. There is no more transitions exist in NFA. So this is my epsilon NFA. So this is my epsilon NFA. Okay. This is my equivalent. This one is my equivalent NFA for the given epsilon NFA. Okay. Okay. Now we'll construct one more example here. Here. So this is also one of the epsilon NFA. This is also one of the epsilon NFA. We'll convert this epsilon NFA into equivalent NFA. We'll convert this epsilon NFA into equivalent NFA. Simply copy the all states from the epsilon NFA. That means this is A. That means this is B. This is D. Then this is C. Okay. Check. Then we have to check, is there any final states? Is there any more final states in NFA exist or not? Okay. What is the rule for final state? Final state in case of NFA, if any state can reach to the final state, only using the help of epsilon, then we can make it as final state. See here, B can reach to D. State B can reach to D. State B can reach to D with the help of epsilon. B can reach to D with the help of epsilon. So B will be the final state. Okay. Now we have to check any other states are there or not. So see here, A can reach to D. A can reach to D with the help of epsilon. A can reach to D. See here, A read epsilon. A read epsilon reach to B. Then B read epsilon. Then reach to D. So A will be the final state. So A will be the final state. Okay. Okay. So then simply copy the transitions. Simply copy the transitions of epsilon NFA except epsilon transitions. Okay. See here. This is 0. This is 1. This is 0, 1. Okay. Then we'll make some other transitions, remaining transition. See here, from A to B, from A to B, is there any transitions exist or not? From A to B, only epsilon transition, only epsilon transition. There is no transitions from A to B. Okay. So, okay. Then we have to check from A to C. Is there any transitions? From A to C, here, this is epsilon, then this is 0. So, epsilon into 0 equal to 0. So, A to C, this is one transition, 0. Okay, now we have to check from A to D. A to D, is there any transition? From A to D, here, epsilon, epsilon into 0, epsilon into 0. So, this is epsilon into 0 means 0. That means 0. This is 0 transition. Okay, check any other transitions are there or not. This is epsilon, epsilon, then 1, epsilon into epsilon, then 1, that is 1. So this is 0, 1 transition. There is no more transition. Okay. Now we have to check from B to D. See here, B to D, is there any transition? B to D, B to DS, that is epsilon 0, epsilon into 0 equal to 0. From B to D, epsilon into 0 means 0. Okay, is there any other transition? Yes, epsilon into 1. So epsilon into 1 equal to 1. So this is one transition. Okay. Now we'll check some other transitions are there or not. From C to A, there is no transition. From C to A, there is no transition. From C to B, C to B, only one transitions there. So already we just copied. Okay. From C to D, is there any transition? We have to check C to D. Is there any transitions? See here, this is 1, this is epsilon. This is 1 into epsilon equal to 1. So this is 1. Okay. Now check any other transitions are there? No, there is no transition. So this is my epsilon NFA. This is my equivalent NFA for the given epsilon NFA. Okay. Now we'll construct one more example of NFA. Conversion from NFA to epsilon NFA to NFA. So this is the given epsilon NFA. This is my given epsilon NFA. We'll convert this epsilon NFA to NFA. See here. Now this is the NFA. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. This is E. Just simply copy all states. Just simply copy all states. Okay, check. Is there any more final states are there in NFA or not? From A, we cannot reach to the final state with the help of epsilon. No. From B to E, no, we cannot reach to the from A to E we cannot reach to the final state with the help of epsilon. Okay, from B to D, sorry, B to E. Yes, we cannot reach to the final state means E from B to E with the help of epsilon. We can from C to E here, from C to E. No, we cannot reach to the final state E from C state with the help of epsilon. Okay, so C cannot be the, or C will be the non-final state. Then from D to E, we cannot reach to the final state from D to E with the help of epsilon. Okay, so only one final state is there in NFA, that is the E. Okay, simply copy the transitions of epsilon NFA in NFA except epsilon. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, simply copy, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, 1, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, now we'll make some other transitions are there or not. Okay, now we have to check from A to B. See here, A to B. Is there any transitions? Yes, that is 0 epsilon. 0 into epsilon means 0. A to B, that is 0. From A to C, that is 0 epsilon. A to C, 0 into epsilon, that is 0. That is 0. Any other transitions? Yes, one more transitions are there. A to C is epsilon 1. Epsilon into 1 equal to 1. That is 0, 1. Okay. A to B already there. Then we have to check A to D is there. A to D, yes. This is epsilon. This is 0. A to D, this is epsilon. This is 0. Epsilon into 0, that is 0. So A to D, that is 0. Okay, now we have to check any other transitions are there or not. Okay, from A to E, see here, A to E, is there any transitions from A to E? Yes, this is epsilon, this is 0. Epsilon into 0, that is 0. Okay, any other transitions are there? From here, epsilon into 1, epsilon into 1, this is 1, so 0, 1. Check any other transitions are there? No, I think there is no transitions are there. Okay, so this is my equivalent NFA. This is my equivalent NFA for the given epsilon NFA. Okay, now we'll construct one more example. Now we'll construct one more example. Okay, question 4. So this is the NFA. This is my epsilon NFA. Okay, check. This is, just simply copy all states. This is Q0. This is Q1. This is Q2. Q0, Q1, Q2. This is my initial state. Okay. Now we have to check, is there any final states are there? Yes, Q2 is the already final state. So Q0 to Q2, Q0 to Q2. We cannot reach from Q0 to Q2 with the help of epsilon. So Q0 is not final state. From Q1 to Q2, we cannot reach from Q1 to Q2 with the help of epsilon. With the help of epsilon. So Q1 is not my final state. So Q1, Q0 and Q1 both are non-final state. Okay. So now we'll make the transition. Just simply copy all transitions of epsilon and Fa except epsilon. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0. Okay, now we have to check from Q0 to Q1, Q0 to Q1. Is there any transitions are there? Q0 to Q2, is there any other transitions? Yes, this is 0, this is epsilon. 0 into epsilon, that is 0. Okay, now we have to check is any other transitions are there from Q0 to Q1. See here, this is epsilon from Q0, epsilon, this is 1, this is epsilon. So G epsilon into 1, then epsilon means 1. So this is 1. Okay. From Q1, see here, from Q1, Q1, is there any other transitions? Yes. From Q1 to Q1 is also one transition from Q1 to Q1. See here, this is 1. We'll start from Q1. This is 1. This is epsilon, 1, epsilon, 1 into epsilon. This is 1. So 1 is a self loop on Q1. Now we have to check, is there any other transitions from Q2? This is okay. Then we have to check Q0 to Q2. Then we have to check Q0 to Q2. This is 0, epsilon. Okay, Q0 to Q2. This is epsilon. This is 1. Q0 to Q2. See here, Q0 to Q2. This is epsilon. This is 1. Epsilon into 1 equal to 1. So this is one transition. Now we have to check from Q2 to Q1. Is there any transition from Q2 to Q1? Q2, this is 0. This is epsilon. Q2 to Q1, 0, epsilon, 0. This is 0. Any other transitions are there from Q2 to Q1? Epsilon here, Q2 start from epsilon, then 1, then epsilon. This is first epsilon, then 1, then again epsilon. So this is all 1 star epsilon. So this is 1. So this is 1, 0, 1. Okay. Is there any other transitions from? Is there any loop? Okay, we can check from Q2 to Q2. Q2 epsilon 1. Yes, Q2 is also self loop. See here, this is epsilon. This is 1. Epsilon into 1 equal to 1. So 1 is also a self loop on Q2. Okay. So this is the equivalent NFA for the given epsilon NFA. Okay. Now we'll see one more construction of epsilon NFA to NFA. This is my question 5. This is epsilon NFA. Okay, this is my NFA. Okay, this is Q0. This is Q1. Simply copy all states of epsilon NFA. This is Q2. Okay, now we have to check. Q0 is my initial state. Now we have to check is any other means final states in NFA or not. So we can we reach from Q0 to Q1? Q1 is my final state. From Q0 to Q1, we cannot reach to Q1 from Q0 with the help of epsilon. So Q1 will be the non-final state. Okay, now we have to check from Q2 to Q1, Q2, Q1. No, we cannot reach from Q2 to Q1 with the help of epsilon. Okay, so Q2 will be the final, sorry, Q2 will be the non-final state. simply copy the transitions of epsilon NFA from NFA except epsilon. Okay, now we have to check from, is there any state from Q0 to Q0? Q0 to Q0 means it is a self loop. See here, A epsilon, then epsilon, A into epsilon into epsilon. So A is a self loop. Okay, so Q0 to Q1 already there. Now we have to check Q0 to Q2. Q0 to Q2. Is there any state? Sorry, is there any transition from Q0 to Q2? It is A, this is epsilon. This is A. Okay. Then we have to check from Q0. Okay, done. Then from Q1 to Q0, we have to check from Q1 to Q0. Q1, this is epsilon, then A, means epsilon into epsilon, then into A, means A. Q1 to Q0, S, one transition is there. Then from Q1 to Q1, check epsilon, then A, epsilon into A, means A. This is A. Then we have to check from Q1 to Q2. Q1 to Q2. Is there any transition from Q1 to Q2? Q1 to Q2. This is epsilon. This is epsilon. This is A. This is epsilon. First epsilon, then epsilon, then A, then epsilon, means A. Yes. Q1 to Q2 is one state. Now we have to check from Q2 to Q0. Q2 to Q0, is there any state here? Q2, Q0. This is epsilon, A, epsilon into A, then epsilon, then epsilon. Okay, so this is A. So it is also one transition A. Then we have to check from Q2 to Q1, Q2 to Q1, epsilon, then A, epsilon into A. This is A. Q2 to Q1. This is A. Then we'll check Q2 to Q2. Is there any state? Sorry, any transition? Q2 to Q1 here. This is epsilon. This is A. This is epsilon. Epsilon A. Epsilon means A. This is A. Okay. So I think there is no more transitions. Okay. This is the equivalent NFA. This is the equivalent NFA for the given epsilon NFA. Okay. This is the end of conversion from, this is the end of today's class, conversion from epsilon NFA to NFA. Is there, if you have any questions or any queries, you can ask through the comment box or the given Gmail ID. Okay. Thanks to all.